And all three of the podium from the 2019 World Championships here in attendance. In particular, reigning world champion Balint Kopash, the only one missing out of the real top dogs. The Olympic champion Marcus Waltz of Spain, not in attendance. There is, alongside Kopash, Josef Dostal, three-time Olympic medalist. And along with that, Kopash's nemesis, Fernando Pimenta of Portugal, a London Games silver medalist in K2 1000, 9 times a world medalist, and a 2018 world champion. Josef Dostal was the Rio flag bearer for the Czech Republic, beaten by Marcus Waltz in that final. Pimenta 5th. This looking like a dress rehearsal for the Tokyo final. There in your picture, Arthur Peters of Belgium won Olympic berth for his country on Thursday. Could the 2014 junior world champion make a statement here?
2 minutes to the start of race number 191. K1 men 1000 meters.
Ale Jurjenia of Belarus.
In your lane. Or both, please come to the starting area in your lane.
Here is Josef Dostal. As mentioned, a 3-time Olympic medalist. 2 bronze in K4. But Jakob Shopf looking to really push off the 21-year-old German, a 2-time world champion in K4 in 2018 and K2 in SZEGED. Looking for some experience ahead of the Olympic Games. That man in your picture, once again going up against Pimenta, Kopash, and the Portuguese having a real battle, rekindling their rivalry from last year's World Cup meet when they both won a gold apiece. Bojan Zedlar of Serbia, under 23,000 European champion, missed out on Olympic berth on Thursday. So it's a high quality field. Is it going to be the established guard to hit the podium? Or is there going to be a young gun to blast their way into a surprise? Shopf, certainly the main focus is for that. World champion K4 and K2, now looking to make that step up in K1. But it's Balint Kopash on his home course, on his own Hungarian water, who will want to stamp his authority ahead of the final. Just moments away from getting underway. So underway in the K1 men 1,000 meter final. Reigning world champion Balint Kopash of Hungary recorded the fastest semi-final time. Czech Republic's Josef Dostal, the 2018 world champion from Portugal, Fernando Pimenta, also impressed in what were perfect racing conditions. We've heard there's some challenges with the wind, as always would be expected. We'll see how they manage themselves. We saw the picture there of Jakob Shopf of Germany. Big opportunity to prove himself in K1 after successfully partnering 3-time Olympian Max Hoff to that world title mentioned 2 years ago here in SZEGED. Well, Pimenta now just taking slender advantage over the German. Pimenta certainly went hard in the 5,000 in the World Cup last year, managed to hold off the fight back from Kopash before the roles were reversed. Not quite going hell for leather. a little bit more pace and precision. So 4 boats across the middle. Somewhat an expected formation. As Josef Dostal, Jakob Shopf, Barend Kopacz and Fernando Pimenta look to be the main battle for the podium. There are only 3 medals on offer. So 1 from 4 is going to be dropped. Pimenta with the marginal advantage, but really not much to write home about. It's Dostal with the slight edge on the paddle rates, but looks like they're all waiting to see who's going to light the torch paper before really going for it. But it's a bit of a stronger push from Josef Dostal. As mentioned, the flag bearer for the Czech Republic in Rio, 4-time world and European gold medalist. Well, Kopacz just hanging on the back of the boats, sizing up the opposition and trusting his explosive power. All about timing here, when to really let go. Jakob Shopf gaining over a boat advantage over Kopacz and Pimenta. So far, Dostal, the man to keep up with him. Well, it's all about holding your nerve and knowing exactly what's at stake. But it's going to be a tremendous victory for the young gun from Germany. Well, we were just waiting and waiting for Kopacz and Pimenta to unleash the guns. But it's Jakob Shopf who's beaten the 3 podium from the World Champions 2 years ago. Look at the emotion streaming out. A 2-time world champion in K4 and K2. And now he's beaten the best in the business to a World Cup K1 gold. Well, a quite stunning result. Kopacz, the man to miss out on the podium, just didn't seem to have the power and pace you'd normally expect from the reigning world champion. We'll see how things fare come the Olympics, but what a major breakthrough at K1 for Jakob Shopf of Germany, a 21-year-old golden in SZEGED.
Congratulations. Yesterday you said you wanted to see how you could go in this race. How did you go?
It was fine because I can do what I would like to do. I know all the Sorry, my breath. I know all my strengths, and Max told me so much things, and my trainers also. And I do what they talk. It's a win for me and my coach and Max Hoff, not only me as an athlete.
You've beaten 2 world champions, the last 2 world champions, you've beaten them today. Surely you must want to do this in the Olympics.
Yeah, I think the Olympics, they told their own stories. You can see the last years. Olympic Games are a dream. To take part there is a dream for me. And so I would like to fly to Tokyo to Olympic Games, and then I dream from the position which I get. And okay, that's all. So Olympic Games are the big dream, nothing else.
Great result today. Well done, Jakob.
Thank you very much.
Well, not thinking too far ahead, but mentioning the great support from Max Hoff, who he won the K2 world title with. Himself a gold medalist in K4 in Rio, and a bronze medalist in K1000 2012. So Hoff, plenty to bestow upon Shopf, but he had to go out and do it, beating Dostal by almost a second.
Shopf, representing Germany. Congratulations.